So as you guys may know, we already moved into this office for about half a year now, or actually more than that. Now, that thing aside, one of the most important part of the office is, of course, you need to have a pantry and you need somewhere to have a water filter and just to have stable supply of water, Now, for us, because our office is so small and we only have like 2, 3, 4 staff around, so that got me thinking, what kind of solution should I choose for? Whether should I get a full-fledged water filter with water boiling feature, that kind of water dispenser or not? Then I came across this kind of product. I did not expect to get this thing. This is a automatic water dispenser, and as you can see, we already unboxed it, and yeah, we actually use it for a few months right now. And what you get inside the box is this. Now this is the main unit. The main unit comes with a 1200 milliamp battery built in, and you can charge it with the included micro USB cable at the back over here, and also comes with this steel dispensing pipe, and then lastly this ABS flexible pipe for you to put inside the water bottle. So without further ado, let us see how you can install and get it running. First, now the installation is very simple. First you can use the steel pipe and then insert it into the pump main unit. Remember the short one at the top, and then the flexible pipe at the bottom goes in like this. And then, water. Now this is fairly cheap. One of these bottle is about, this is a 9 liter, if not mistaken. It's about 6 ringgit Malaysia, and it can actually support like up to 18.9 liter bottle as well. So most importantly, what you need to do is like, usually this kind of cap, it comes with a peelable sticker on top of it, and then pop off the sealing cap in it and put it back in. Now this pump can go in directly like this, and it just sits on top of it. And then, ooh, that's the water for you. Okay, now back to the questions. Why I opted to choose this instead of buying the full-fledged water filter and that kind of water dispenser stuff. It is not entirely cheap to maintain that kind of machine. Number one, you need to buy the machine first, which may cost up to like few thousand ringgit, and then there's an annual or biannual servicing to it as well. You have to change the filter and everything like that. It is not really that cost effective for a small office like us, like 3 to 4 person. So for us, it's like this kind of 9 liter bottle is enough to last us for about 1 week or so. And not to mention, some of our staff actually bring our own water to the office. That makes things a little bit more complicated. So this is more than enough for like, if I ever to forget to bring my water to the office, or if I have guests coming to the office, I can serve them with a cup of fresh water. So yeah. Now the price of this thing is, I just checked Shopee, and it's about 10 to 15 ringgit. So it's really a no-brainer product at this kind of price. And yeah, so if you are living by yourself or having this kind of small office, home office, things like that, and you need a portable water dispenser, yeah, this is kind of a good idea to have it. In terms of the battery life, I only charge it when I first got the device. So it has been around 5 months or so. We have been using it like almost daily during working hours. So I haven't really tested out how long it will, but judging from the battery life, it should easily last more than 6 months. And meanwhile, as for the water, this kind of huge bottled water is very easy to get by at your local grocery stores or even supermarkets. Yeah, like I said, it depends on what kind of water brand you prefer. Some can be cheap, some can be very expensive. Evian, French Alps water. So that's all I want to say about this automatic water dispenser pump thingy. Just type it in your e-commerce website and you can get this for cheap. So yeah, let us know what you guys think about this product, and I'll see you guys in the next video.